Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name's Paul, Scissors Paper Paul on Instagram, Facebook and on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on all those socials so that you don't miss out on any of my content. And I do share different types of information and inspiration on the different platforms. But today I wanted to talk to you about an important update that has come to Cricut Design Space. And the reason that it's here is of course because Cricut have now released, unfortunately not in Australia, but in the US and Canada now you can get the different sizes of insert cards for the Cricut Joy. So there's a smaller card and there's also now a larger card. And it's really important, even if you are in Australia, that you know these differences so that you don't make any mistakes when you go to cut with the size of card that we have here in Australia. So here we are in Cricut Design Space, and the very first thing that we need to do is go up and make sure that the machine is set to Cricut Joy. So let's do that, and then we're going to go to My Projects, and in the drop-down list for My Projects, we're going to scroll all the way down to Insert Cards, and we can see that we've got the new size, which is the smaller, which is 3.5 by 4.9 inches. We've got the standard size, which we're very familiar with, which is 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches, and that's what we have access to here in Australia and New Zealand. And we also have the larger, which is a 4.5 by 6.25. So what we want to make sure we're doing when we're creating our cards is we're selecting the right size. And then of course we can scroll through, we can search, and we can choose a card that we want to make. As you know, with Cricut Joy, cards are so easy, a couple of minutes and you've got a stunning card that you can share with your friends or family. Now, because we've got Mother's Day coming up here in Australia, I thought we could look at this Mum's the Word card, and I'm just going to click on it. We've got all the details of what we're going to need to be able to create the card. We can also see here what the finished size is. So again, that's another check to make sure that we've got the correct size. Then we can click Make It. And now we'll go through to the Make It screen. So here we go, we can see the outline of the Cricut Joy card mat. And on the left-hand side again, we can see the material size, making sure that the card is the correct size that matches the insert card that you're using. So that's it really. After that, we would click Continue. We would go through to the Cricut Joy, load the card onto our mat, and follow all the prompts that are on the screen. I hope that was useful. If you've got any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you're new to my channel, type new because I want to get to meet you. And also, don't forget, if you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to make sure that you don't miss any of my content each and every week. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time.